Have you ever heard of a Juicy Lucy? It's a cheese stuffed burger, and here's the best way to make it. Starting with 2 pounds chuck, cut into smaller pieces, then grind on your larger setting. If you don't have a grinder, just use 2 pounds store-bought. Slice some heirloom tomatoes and set aside. Thinly slice 1 red onion, place in a jar. To a small pot, add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a tablespoon of salt. Bring to a simmer. Once sugar and salt has dissolved, pour over the onions. Using a whole milk, low moisture mozzarella cheese log, make 4 thick slices. Cream ground beef together to form 8 patties. Season the inside with salt and pepper. Add in your mozzarella slice. Place another patty on top and pinch the edges together, making sure to create a tight seal. Season the outside with more salt and pepper. Then grill your patties on both sides. You know it's cooked once you start to see a little cheese ooze out. Toast your buns. Top with arugula, heirloom tomato, cheese stuffed burgers, your pickled onions, and some sweet and spicy sauce. I hope you try it and let me know what you think. Enjoy!